Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you rewrite your text or your vlog or anything. You can rewrite this or generate with AI. You can simply say I will select this text, simply copy and paste it here and rewrite here. You can see this AI will rewrite this blog again. I need to rewrite this after selecting all, and you can see they rewrite this line this line. I mean, you can see the highlight lines are changed. You can see the second line. You can select this and this and this. You can see these lines are changed. You have to choose the right sentence for the sentence. You can see I have lots of options to select the words which will be the correct. And you can see the shorten. It will be the short selection and it will be the long. And you can see the read and summarize. You can simply paste your text here and you can select on summarize, and it will tell you what was the topic in this blog, and they will give you these three options, which is summary. And you can see this the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is not yet officially confirmed by the South Korean tech brand, but a new leak reiterated the existence of the emergency satellite texting feature. And another one is summary according to a report by Korean publications, blah blah blah. And you can see the notes here. You can simply note here, and notes automatically will be saved. You can see. Okay, this is the WordTune. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.